Bon dia, mixed meals. This is going to be one of your new starving plates. I mean, we don't create in the United Kingdom a fricando, which is simply sliced and fried meat, in this case, a superfood. And this is served with a concentrated sofrito. And on top of that, we will have kind of like a piccata. You can see kind of the piccata up here or over there. And yeah, so try that out and you can throw that on. That'll give it an extra type of parsley type of taste with garlic. Anyway, if you've never had fricando before, do try this recipe. It is one of my favourite go-to dishes for Catalonia, and you probably never tried it before. And unless you try this recipe, probably never will. So anyway, enjoy and subscribe.
Side eye when I slip the meat, and she take one bite, tap both feet like Fricando. Fricando, come on. Soul in a Catalan bowl, vegan on a low, but the flavor so bold. Fricando, hey, Fricando, hey. All plant power and control. You taste that groove in your soul. Stories on the hook, hot on the tilt, sauce like silk, bread on the side for the spill of that milk, no milk. Cousins round the table passing that plate, everybody talking about the taste they can't fake. Wait, this just bad, they say real low. I slap my shades down, that's Fricando. Fricando, Catalunya in the kitchen. Step in the spot, cast iron on the flame, apron on, gold chain, same name. All the aunties watch how my wrist go. Olive oil sliding real slow. Onion in the pan, let it lay back. Garlic doing laps, doing flashbacks. Carrot coins, mushroom rain, all that. Brown on the bottom, we want that. Fricando, Fricando. Say what? Soul in a Catalan bowl. Vegan on the low, but the flavor's so bold. Fricando, Fricando. Oh yeah, all plant power in control. You taste that groove in your soul. Tomato hit the scene like a red cake. Paprika in the air, yeah, that's great. Bay leaf floating like a little bowl. Stock pouring down like a love note. Tie that bouquet, time on my mind. Pepper in the a pinch, feeling so kind. Grab my side eye when I skip the meat. Then she take one bite, tap both feet. Like Fricando, Fricando. Come on. Soul in a Catalan bowl. Vegan on the low. But the flavor so bold. Fricando, hey, Fricando. Hey, all man power and control. You taste that groove in your soul.
Bonissimo. We got lovely mushroom here, oyster mushroom. Ah, how good this is, Superfood. You should pay me for this recipe. This is next level. Okay, let me describe. So basically you have a really, really sweet sofrito and the mushroom sauce is just amazing. If you get aioli, because I've added that on myself, just like make that, just do it. You've got like sweet and savoury in here. It's got like a great type of like steaky, meaty taste with the fricando, which is kind of like a little bit, even though it's been marinating in the juices, they're still quite like solid. So yeah, try this out at home. Really like, enjoy and subscribe because this is just next level. Enjoy. See you soon. Take care.